I'll finish it off. Here we go. 2020 Chrome for me. Your guys' box still just hanging out in the back. I'm telling you, I'm saving you guys an absolute banger. I think we're doing some pretty good color. Some pretty good color in this case. So this is 2020. This is the creme de la creme, the holy grail of F1 products. The first ever product released under the new license by Topps back then. We have an orange. Orange portrait. All right. I think I know who it is. It could also be an F2, but if it's F1, I know who it is. Yeah. Oh, shoot. I'll take it. Orange Ricardo. I mean, it's not like massive, but out of 25, Daniel Ricciardo orange auto, we'll take it. Like, fan favorite, you know, not winning world championships by any means and not even driving for a team. He's retired now, I believe. Is he a reserve driver now? I don't know. But anyway, fan favorite. I'll take it. I'm not mad about it. Oh, we got my boy too here. We got McLaren on the car, and then you flip it over. You got George Russell rookie there. There's old Daniel Ricciardo. See, doing a little flex. Looks like he pissed his pants a little bit. Charles Leclerc, portrait. That's my guy. Soup, what do we got here? Soup 4 in the serial closer. Wait, is that? I think that's all that was left. Hamilton refractor there. And I don't think I have an Ricardo auto in my collection from 2020, so this could be fun. I might grade and keep that. Maybe another orange? Lewis Hamilton there. Oh, jeez. Well, I already hit the orange wave. There's the orange 70th Red Bull. I guess I'm sending that to grading too. Not numbered on the 70th. Any of them that had that 70th logo, they're not numbered, but they're like I think their projected print run is like 2x if I remember right. And Neil Kvyat. And then we got a nice Max portrait here. Look at that, Max portrait. I said if you're not familiar with this set, it's essentially, I mean, they're not rookies of all these guys, but it's their first card. So like in a licensed full product. So it's like I said, it's like open in 2013 Prism. There's the Mercedes car. That's Lewis. Purple Valtteri Bottas, the $3.99. Oh, and a Red Bull logo. Lord. I mean, I'll take them. Like, they're not anything crazy, but better than a poke in the eye. My guy, Charles Leclerc on the refractor. Whoa, man. Mercedes purple on the logo. The $3.99. I mean, overall, I'll take this box. Jack Aitken. Knows we need Jack Aitken. Pedro Piquet. Lando, freshest rookie. We'll take that. Valtteri Bottas on the gold Grand Prix winners to 50. Flip it. Mercedes logo. Albon. Lando Norris refractor rookie car card. Lewis track tags, we take it. There was a time, I don't know if it is anymore, but there was a time where that, like, the Lewis track tags were like I think almost $100. Luca Giotto. There you go. Another box of 2020 Chrome F1.